In this video, we'll explore some of AirTouch's advanced settings, including AutoZoom, support color glove, ignore eye gaze, and hand raise action. Open File, then navigate to the Advanced Settings section. Enable AutoZoom and click Save and Close. AutoZoom automatically detects the first person who raises their hand and crops the camera view around them. This is especially useful when you're farther away from the camera or when multiple people are in view. By default, AirTouch recognizes natural skin tones. If you're using a blue, green, or purple surgical glove, enable Support Color Glove so AirTouch can detect your hand correctly. To enable it, click File, then Advanced Settings. Check the box to enable Support Color Glove. If you would like, you can disable AutoZoom as well. Now that I enabled it, I will demonstrate hand movements with a non-flesh color glove. Using this feature helps AirTouch identify your hand. When Ignore Eye Gaze is enabled, you can perform gestures even if you're not looking directly at the camera. When it's disabled, you must look directly at the camera before gesture interaction is allowed. This can help reduce accidental activations in environments where precision is important. Hand raise action lets you trigger a keyboard shortcut as soon as AirTouch detects your raised hand. I will put Ctrl+L as my shortcut. When I raise my hand, the shortcut will be executed. Make sure you click Save and Close. This can be useful for launching an application, displaying a visual indicator, or triggering another automated action whenever gesture control becomes active. In the next video, we'll take a closer look at touch mode and proximity trigger.